Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of lunchbox in this video. This video contains beautiful lunchbox designs for your kids. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. These are beautiful lunchbox designs for your kids' lunch saving ideas. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. This video contains beautiful kids lunchbox designs. Please watch this video at the end. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much.